Verizon 5G home internet gateways use LED lights to communicate important information about your connection status. Understanding these light indicators is essential for monitoring your internet service. Green lights indicate positive connection states. A solid green light is the best indicator. It means you have an optimal connection with a strong 5G signal and everything is working perfectly. A blinking green light means your device is actively connecting to the network or performing an update. This is normal during startup or when the system is updating its software. A dim green light indicates you are connected, but with reduced signal strength. Your internet will work, but speeds may be slower than optimal. Red lights indicate connection problems that need attention. A solid red light is the most serious. It means there is no network connection or severe signal issues preventing internet access. A blinking red light suggests authentication failure or account-related problems. This could mean issues with your service activation or billing status. An alternating red and green light pattern usually indicates a firmware update is in progress, or there may be a hardware malfunction that requires attention. Other status indicators provide additional information. A blue light means WPS pairing mode is active for connecting devices. A yellow or amber light indicates limited connectivity or network congestion. A white light appears when the device is booting up or in setup mode. This is normal during initial installation or when restarting your gateway. Your Verizon 5G home internet gateway may have multiple LED indicators in different locations. Understanding what each light means helps you quickly identify the status of your connection and determine if any action is needed. When your Verizon 5G home internet gateway shows a red light, it indicates a connection problem that needs immediate attention. We'll walk through a systematic troubleshooting approach. Start with these immediate actions. First, check all cable connections to ensure everything is properly plugged in. Verify your power adapter is securely connected. Examine the gateway placement for any obvious obstructions and check Verizon's status page for any reported service outages in your area. This diagram shows typical connection points to check. Ensure all Ethernet cables are firmly seated and the power connection is stable. If immediate actions don't resolve the red light, move to basic troubleshooting. Power cycle your gateway by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Try relocating the gateway to a different position, preferably near a window for better signal reception. Check your account status and billing through the My Verizon app to ensure there are no account-related issues causing the connection problem. Also, verify that the SIM card is properly seated in the gateway. For persistent red light issues, try advanced solutions. Factory reset the gateway to restore default settings. Check for available firmware updates that might resolve connectivity issues. Look for interference from other electronic devices, and if all else fails, contact Verizon technical support for professional signal strength analysis. Factory resetting your gateway will restore it to original settings, which can resolve configuration-related connection issues. Once you have a green light indicating a successful connection, you can optimize performance for the best possible experience. To maximize your green light performance, position the gateway in an elevated location with clear line of sight to windows. Ensure adequate ventilation around the device to prevent overheating. Use Ethernet connections for devices that require high bandwidth and optimize Wi-Fi channel settings through the gateway interface. This coverage map shows Verizon 5G availability across the United States. Optimal performance depends on your proximity to 5G towers and local signal conditions. Professional signal strength analysis, like this spectrum display, can help identify the optimal placement for your gateway to achieve the strongest possible 5G connection and maintain consistent green light status. Remember this troubleshooting flow. For red lights, start with connection checks, then power cycling, and escalate to factory reset if needed. For green light optimization, focus on elevation, ventilation, wired connections, and Wi-Fi settings. Following these steps will help ensure reliable 5G home internet performance.